Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the tools that make your everyday life easier and more efficient. Today, we're looking at what is easily the best car battery charger Trickle maintainer you can buy. The Battery Tender 4AMP Battery Charger and Maintainer. Model 02202009BTWH. Let's say goodbye to dead batteries and hello to smarter charging. This compact powerhouse does more than just charge. It's built to intelligently maintain your battery and extend its life, whether you're working with a traditional lead-acid battery or a modern lithium setup. Right out of the box, the Battery Tender gives a sense of quality. It's lightweight, compact, and thoughtfully designed. You get an AC power cord that's 6 feet long, and a DC output charging cord that adds another 5 feet, giving you a total of 11 feet of reach, which is more than enough for most garage setups. Using it is simple. Connect it, press a button to select either 6 volts or 12 volts depending on your battery type, and you're off. Whether you're maintaining a motorcycle, a lawnmower, a car, SUV, or truck, this charger's got you covered. But what sets this Battery Tender apart is its smart functionality. This isn't a simple plug-and-play charger that risks overcharging your battery. Instead, once your battery is fully charged, the unit switches to float mode automatically. This means it keeps the battery at the optimal voltage without overcharging, which is crucial for long-term health. Safety is at the forefront here. It has a spark-proof design during lead connection and automatically detects reverse polarity. So even if you accidentally connect it the wrong way, no harm done. It simply won't deliver power until everything is safe and correct. There's also a built-in solid-state LED indicator that communicates the charging status. It's a 2-color system, green and red, so you always know what's happening. And if the voltage drops too low while in float mode, the charger's ISM adaptive charging kicks back into full charge mode without you lifting a finger. That's confidence in the product you're buying. Now let's talk about why this is a standout product compared to others in the market. For one, you're getting 4 amps of charging power, which is faster than many basic 1 or 1.25 AMP Trickle chargers. This means less waiting and more getting back on the road. You're also getting premium safety features, multiple battery compatibility, and long cable reach. Things that are often either missing or locked behind a higher price tag in other brands. It's ideal for car owners who deal with seasonal use vehicles like classic cars or motorcycles. It's also perfect for people who leave their vehicles idle for weeks or months at a time. If you live in colder climates where batteries are more prone to dying, this will save you from the frustration of calling for a jump start. All in all, the Battery Tender 4AMP charger is a smart investment for your vehicle's health and your own peace of mind. With intelligent design, premium build quality, and exceptional safety features, this charger doesn't just do the job, it does it better. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.